In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Sam's Club membership versus Plus membership. We'll dive into which option might be better for you in 2025. When you're considering joining a warehouse store like Sam's Club, understanding the different membership levels can help you make a more informed choice. Let's explore the benefits of both the Club and the Plus membership so you can weigh up which might suit your shopping habits and budget better. First, let's talk about how to find the information you need. To get a breakdown of the benefits for both membership types, head over to Sam's Club's official website. On their site, navigate to the section dedicated to membership benefits. This is usually found under their help menu, or you can directly search for benefits of Club and Plus membership, Sam's Club, in your preferred web browser. This page will give you comprehensive details about what each membership offers. Now let's break down the basics of the club membership. This is the more standard option and comes with an array of benefits. Typically, a club membership provides access to all Sam's Club locations and allows you to take advantage of special member pricing. You'll also have early shopping hours and complimentary items like free flat tire repair, battery testing, and wiper blade installation. These can be really handy if you're someone who prefers handling small car maintenance tasks while shopping. Moving on to the perks of the club membership, it's important to highlight the member exclusive savings. Whenever you shop, you'll benefit from the lower prices that are often comparable to bulk savings you'd find elsewhere, perfect for stocking up on essentials or if you have a large family. Another key bonus is the cashback rewards on purchases, although these are often more limited when compared to the Plus membership. Now let's shift our focus to the Plus membership. This is an upgraded option offering everything that the club membership does, plus more. The most significant draw for the Plus membership is the cashback program. With this membership, you can earn 2% cashback on qualifying purchases throughout the year up to a certain limit. This can be a real game changer if you're a frequent shopper at Sam's Club. Furthermore, Plus members often receive free shipping on select items, making it a great choice for those who prefer shopping online and want to avoid delivery charges. There's also the advantage of more comprehensive optical and pharmacy discounts. These can save you a surprisingly significant amount over time, especially if you need regular prescriptions or eyewear. So to sum it all up, if you're a person who shops occasionally and values basic shopping benefits, the club membership might be just right for you. However, if you're a frequent shopper at Sam's Club and interested in maximizing rewards and additional perks like shipping benefits and increased cashback, upgrading to a Plus membership could be a worthwhile investment. Remember, the best choice will align with your shopping frequencies and personal needs, ensuring better saving and value for your membership.